I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I'm gonna tell you 3 years of refining my knowledge. I left the streets alone. You know, as far as you understand what I mean? The streets, like really the streets. You know my history. You know that. I don't want to say out here, but you know, I left that alone to just study this culture. You know, and really get this. But then again, financially, it was bad. I wasn't getting that paper. And, you know, and I didn't look at this culture as getting some money type of structure. I looked at it as saving my life and for things for me to teach someone. But yet still, I still needed that money. So that's why I said, you can't always chew up and walk all the time. You know, the fights, you know, the gods and earth, you know, beef and all that type of thing, you know. I was always a person who could come in and, you know, listen, you come in and you come in. Y'all come together and y'all talk about it. I've always been one of those type of guys. Then again, I always been a knucklehead too. You know, I had to, you know, I had to figure some things out too. And it's hard being God, you know? So, it's easy to live the way of life of God though. And I say that because once you know, that means you know you don't believe anymore. That's why I say that.
Belief is a doubt.
Yeah, believe. You know, I tell people all the time, I don't believe. You know, I know everything. God, you know. So, you know, that's pretty much my structure of living this culture. It's not a belief, it's a way of life. Because when Osman gave me knowledge, he said, he told me a couple of things. He said, listen, even though you're out here in the streets, from uptown to downtown, Atlanta to here and there, you still got a duty to teach. Because honestly, when I got knowledge, I wasn't teaching nobody. Because I was still learning. You understand what I mean? So I had to, I really had to learn, what was really going on.
If Mega did this.